One of the considerations for a business owner is financial wealth. What are the components that actually make financial wealth? Follow my video and let's explain more. If you haven't yet, click the bell and subscribe to be notified every time we produce our best pieces of content. Financial wealth is key. This will give you income as well as the cushion of assets, which is great. Now, what actually is involved with financial wealth and what's included? Follow my video and let's really explain more. Part number one, cash. How much cash do you earn personally? And that can be jointly with you and your significant other. Secondly, liabilities. What liabilities do you have, which could be loans, credit cards, that you owe money people to that's in your personal names? This is also included. What you also have as well is, do you have personal investments? Personal investments can be a combination of stock market investments, which could be pensions, ISAs. It could be investments into other private companies. It could be crypto. It could be lots of things. So in your collection of investments, how many investments do you hold? Business owners also invest a lot in buy-to-let properties. So how big is your buy-to-let portfolio and how much mortgages do you have on these? Do you know exactly the net equity that's owed to both you and your partner? Now, a lot of this is recorded on a personal balance sheet. If you'd like more details of it, follow my video and this will give you more information on the construction of a personal balance sheet. The next part to consider is how much is your business worth? Now, I don't mean what it could be worth in 20 years if you get 3 million% growth. I'm talking right here, right now. Now, when you're valuing property and businesses, it needs to be realistic. Now, we all like racy numbers and we all like to make our wealth, but if you are not telling the truth to yourself, you are only cheating you. So I'm a big fan when I sit down with my own affairs or my clients to be a little bit conservative, but make it as accurate as you possibly can. As I said earlier in this video, make sure that you are including in this every single one of your liabilities. Because again, if you're not, you are only cheating yourself. Now, I get lots of clients that I work with, whether it's accountancy or as a business coach level, that want to be a millionaire. I personally really like it. I love the buzz, I love the excitement and running to get there. But my true version of what a millionaire is when you take all of your assets, I believe you should be taking off your main residence. So if you've got assets that I'll say £500,000, your house is worth 400, you've got a 200 grand mortgage, that means your true net assets are 300,000 because you can't sell your house unless you lived in a tent. So when you are constructing these assets, the total assets, of course, it's important, but the true measure of wealth, I believe, is taking off your personal main residence. So my question to you today is, what are your net assets now? And what could they be in the future if you planned and you prepared and you invested wisely for the future that could give you some real comfortable passive income and long-term wealth? Now, some of this can be really daunting because I've spent it all. I've gone on holiday. Oh, they spend too much money at home and blah, 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 blah. Don't be ashamed. The best action that you can take is right here, right now. So what is your wealth today and what would you like it to be in the future that allow you to give you the lifestyle that you truly crave? If any of this has been uncomfortable or I could provide you with further information, click my calendar link below. Let's jump on a discovery call. I'll answer any questions you are and aim to guide you in the right direction. And yes, I promise it will not be a pushy sales pitch.